Donna Zalter. I'm here to discuss the implications of the new laws in Florida because of the collapse of Surfside of Champlain Towers in Surfside. We are now incurring a lot more expenses on our condos, on our older condos, because we are required to do structural and all that right now. Most buildings are being assessed for these additional repairs. Of course, it's in the best interest of the unit owner to make sure your building is sound, but where we're coming into problems is in the lower people that bought into these condos at lower price and had fixed incomes are no longer able to afford the increase in maintenance, or most specifically, the assessments that are being levied on these condos. So in some cases, it's astronomical, like hundreds of thousands of dollars per unit, depending on the state of repair in a building. For instance, the Cricket Club, which is an older building, which the units sell very cheaply there, but they just got hit with an assessment for $135,000 per unit because there's deferred maintenance and there's stuff that has to be done. And many of the people cannot afford to live there anymore just because of the monthly upkeep. So that's the unfortunate fallout. I'll speak to you more about this in the next video. Thank you.